If you are living with diabetes, you have heard a lot about what to avoid. Today, we flip the script. There are meats that do not raise your blood sugar and can actually make your meals steadier, more filling, and easier to manage. In this video, you will learn the top 6 meats for a diabetes-friendly plate, how to pick them, how to cook them, what portion sizes work, and which pitfalls to avoid. We will also build a simple one-day meal plan and answer quick questions at the end. 1. Grilled chicken breast. It helps. Grilled chicken breast is lean, high in complete protein, and naturally zero carb. That means it does not push blood sugar up. Protein also slows digestion, helps you feel full, and supports muscle, which helps your body use glucose better. Smart portion, aim for 3 to 4 ounces cooked per meal. That is about the size of your palm or a deck of cards. Best ways to cook: grill, bake, air fry, or pan-sear with a light spray of oil. Season with garlic, paprika, black pepper, lemon, rosemary, or thyme. Avoid heavy breading, deep frying, and sugary barbecue sauces. Shopping tips: choose skinless chicken. Read labels and avoid injected with broth or pre-marinated versions that add sodium and hidden sugars. Serve with fiber-rich vegetables like broccoli, green beans, spinach, or a leafy salad. Add healthy fats like avocado or olive oil for balance. Watchouts: do not overchar on a very hot flame. A quick acid marinade with lemon or vinegar helps keep grilling cleaner and adds flavor too. Turkey breast. Why? It helps. Turkey breast is very lean, full of complete protein, and also zero carb. It supports fullness, steady energy, and does not spike glucose. Smart portion, 3 to 4 ounces cooked per meal. Works great several days a week. Best ways to cook: roast, bake, grill, or air fry. Use herbs, garlic, pepper, and lemon. Skip sugary glazes and heavy brines. Shopping tips: choose fresh turkey breast or roast your own. Many deli slices are high in sodium and sometimes contain sugar. Look for low sodium and very short ingredient lists. Serve with big salad bowls. Lettuce wraps with avocado or roasted veggies with olive oil. Watchouts: processed turkey deli meat. Turkey bacon can be salty and may have preservatives. Use sparingly, if at all. 3. Grilled or baked pork tenderloin. Why? It helps. Pork tenderloin is one of the leanest cuts of red meat and is still zero carb. It gives you high-quality protein with less fat than most pork. Cuts. Smart portion, 3 to 4 ounces cooked per meal. Best ways to cook: grill or bake. Season with garlic, black pepper, smoked paprika, rosemary, and lemon zest. A light olive oil and vinegar marinade adds flavor without sugar. Shopping tips: look for tenderloin or loin. Avoid sweet glazes and pre-seasoned options with long ingredient lists. Serve with roasted zucchini, cauliflower mash, sautéed cabbage, or a tray of mixed non-starchy vegetables. Watchouts: skip processed pork like bacon, sausage, or sugary ham. These can be high in sodium and saturated fat. For lean, grass-fed beef sirloin or tenderloin. Why it helps: lean beef is rich in complete protein, iron, B vitamins, zinc, and selenium, and still zero carb. Grass-fed cuts tend to be leaner and have a better fat profile. Smart portion, 3 to 4 ounces cooked per meal, about 2 to 3 times per week. Best ways to cook: grill, broil, bake, or quick pan-sear. Use pepper, garlic, rosemary, and paprika. Avoid heavy sauces. Do not overchar. A brief marinade with lemon or vinegar keeps grilling gentler. Shopping tips: choose sirloin, tenderloin, top round, or eye of round. Look for grass-fed when possible. Avoid pre-marinated steaks with added sugars. Serve with spinach salad, roasted Brussels sprouts, asparagus, or cauliflower. Add a small serving of slow carbs like quinoa or brown rice if it fits your plan. Watchouts: processed beef like hot dogs, jerky with sugar, or salty deli meats is not the same as fresh lean cuts. 5. Baked or grilled salmon. Why? It helps. Salmon is zero carb and packed with high-quality protein plus omega-3 fats. Omega-3s support heart health, which is very important if you live with diabetes. Smart portion 3 to 4 ounces cooked per meal. 2+ times per week is a great goal. Best ways to cook, bake, grill, or air fry. Season with lemon, dill, garlic, or pepper. Bake in parchment with veggies for a simple, low-mess dinner. Shopping tips: choose fresh or frozen with no sugary sauces. Wild-caught is great when available. Read canned labels for added salt or flavorings. Serve with steamed green beans, roasted broccoli, cucumber, and tomato salad, or a quinoa side if you use grains. Watch-outs: smoked salmon can be high in sodium. Glazed salmon often includes sugar. Check those labels. Sick shrimp. Why? It helps. Shrimp is very lean, zero carb, and high in complete protein. It also provides selenium and B12. Smart portion 3 to 4 ounces, which is about 6 to 8 medium shrimp. Enjoy a few times per week if you like seafood. Best ways to cook, grill, bake, or steam. Toss with garlic, lemon, paprika, and parsley. Avoid breading and deep frying. Shopping tips: pick plain shrimp, fresh or frozen, with no sauces or breading. Look for wild-caught when possible. Serve with shrimp salad bowls, veggie stir-fries, zucchini noodles, or cucumber slices with avocado. Watch-outs: pre-seasoned or breaded shrimp can be high in sodium, carbs, and additives. The meat no list: use rarely or skip processed meats. Bacon, sausage, hot dogs, pepperoni, many deli meats. Often high in sodium, preservatives, and added sugars. Sugary marinades and glazes. Teriyaki, honey barbecue, sweet chili. These add quick carbs. Heavy breading and deep frying adds refined carbs and unhealthy fats. Simple one-day meal plan. Balanced and blood sugar friendly. Breakfast veggie scramble with 2 eggs and 2 ounces diced grilled chicken or turkey. Add spinach, mushrooms, and tomatoes. Serve with half an avocado. Lunch: big salad with mixed greens, 3 ounces turkey or shrimp, cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, a spoon of olives, and a drizzle of olive oil and lemon. Optional: a small side of berries. Snack: Greek yogurt plain with 6 to 8 almonds, or cucumber slices with hummus. Dinner: 4 ounces, baked salmon or pork tenderloin. Side of roasted broccoli and a small serving of quinoa or cauliflower mash. Evening only if needed. Small protein-forward snack. 1/2 cup Greek yogurt, or 1 ounce cheddar with a few whole grain crackers. Portion and plate rules. At work: protein anchor. 3 to 4 ounces cooked meat at meals. Veggie volume. At least half your plate of non-starchy vegetables. Smart fats: olive oil, avocado, nuts, seeds, small amounts, slow carbs. If you include carbs, use small portions of beans, lentils, quinoa, or brown rice. Pair with protein and veggies. Cooking cheat sheet: best methods: grill, bake, broil, air fry, pan sear with minimal oil. Seasonings that love blood sugar: garlic, onion powder, smoked paprika, black pepper, cumin, chili powder, rosemary, thyme, dill, lemon juice. Vinegar: what to avoid: breading, deep frying, sugary sauces. Heavy glazes: grilling tip: quick acid marinade, lemon or vinegar. Plus herbs gives great flavor and cleaner finish. Quick safety notes: if you have kidney disease and have a protein limit, follow your renal diet plan for portions. If you take blood thinners or have special conditions, review seafood frequency with your clinician. Always handle and cook meats to safe internal temperatures. Final thought: do not need complex rules to eat well with diabetes. Anchor your meals with lean, zero-carb proteins like grilled chicken, turkey breast, pork tenderloin, lean grass-fed beef, salmon, and shrimp. Cook them simply, season them boldly, pair them with vegetables, and keep portions balanced. Small, steady choices today build calmer numbers tomorrow. If this helped you, Please like the video, subscribe for weekly diabetes-friendly tips, and share this with someone who needs clear, simple guidance. Tell me in the comments, which meat will you try first this week?